Hi, Dad. Oh, where's your friends? Where are your friends? Can you not get to them? You can't get your friends. Where's your friends? There they are. Where's your friends? There they are. Oh, no. Get your friends, Dad. There are your friends. Oh, it's okay. There they are. There they are. Yay! Okay. Let's move you closer to your friends. Oh, let's move you closer. Let's move you closer. There they are. There they are. Where's your friends? Where's your friends? Where's your friends? Where's your friends? Oh, someone wants some clothes on. Aww. What's wrong? What's wrong, little puss? Jelly bean. What's wrong, little jelly bean? Yay! There they are. Alright, we're gonna change you. Let's put you some clothes. Mom! Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yay. There they are.